Our next speaker before some of our personal stories is from NOW, the National Organization for Women, which I believe Lois Frankel started the Palm Beach County chapter many years ago. She did. And we're very, very pleased to have here speaking on behalf of NOW, Dr. Joan Waitkevicz.
Listen, before I put my nonpartisan hat on, I want to say that if anyone here needs to register to vote or change their party affiliation, see me afterward. So why would Donald Trump and so many members of Congress want to take away health care from 29.8 million Americans, or 2.2 million Floridians? Is it ignorance?
Yes.
Well, a lot of congressmen act like birth control is sinful or a joke, something that you can refuse their employees if it's against your conscience, something that you can laugh at a woman if she mentions it in a congressional hearing. Well, we know it's a lifeline. So is free preventive care and screening for women and men, and we will stand up for them. Now, talking about woman hate, Trump has just nominated Dr. Tom Price for Secretary of Health and Human Services. His hearing is on Wednesday. He's a real winner. He wants to let the states make abortion illegal and at the same time take away affordable birth control. And this is a doctor. He should stick to orthopedic surgery. He's not fit to make health policy for the women of America, and we will fight the nomination. But you know, the real reason probably is these men cannot imagine what it's like to live without health care. And I don't want to take away from the stories of my neighbors who are here, so I'll be brief. But I want to tell you what the medical literature says. If you don't have insurance, if you or your child gets a traumatic brain injury, they're more likely to die. Your diabetes, your high blood pressure, or your high cholesterol don't get treated correctly, and you are more likely to have a stroke. And you are less likely to get rehab. And if you end up disabled and a relative quits her job to take care of you, she may lose her Social Security and her Medicare because she is not earning. If you have HIV, your treatment is delayed, and you may expose others. And finally, you're forced into bad choices. For every medical test or treatment, you have to ask, do I have the money for this? What else do I need the money for? And your children get this. They learn to do the same. The suffering and the years of life lost pass to the next generation. That is why clinics like Found Care are so important. People learn here what excellence is, and so do their kids. I refer a lot of people to Found Care, and I send my friends here when they have need. Congress should be proud to offer all Americans health care. And as the previous speaker said, the Affordable Care Act is a good start. We deserve more, not less. I thank Lois for her advocacy, and I want her to know we've got her back.